Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an email. First, you'll need to choose an email provider like Gmail or Outlook. Next, select a unique email address that's easy to remember and professional. Then, provide your personal details as requested. Finally, create a strong password to protect your new account. These simple steps will get you started quickly. When choosing a provider, think about what features matter most to you, such as storage or calendar integration. Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo Mail are popular options. For your address, aim for something simple and professional. Using your name or a variation is often best. Avoid numbers or symbols that make it hard to share or remember. During account creation, you'll fill in details like your name and birth date. Make sure to read and agree to the terms. When creating your password, combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum strength. It's also highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your new email. Once your account is set up, log in using your new email address and the password you created. Take some time to explore your inbox, settings, and any additional features your provider offers. Sending a test email to a friend or yourself is a great way to confirm everything is working correctly. Remember to check your email regularly for important communications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.